Ubone kanjani?
Footman, ngibona grand. Uyazi every day siyibona grand. Mara last time I told you ukuthi i-league asibhekanga.
Yeah.
Nathi sifuna i-league. Ne Sundowns sifuna i-league.
Yeah.
So why today singakoranga at least 3 goals
Yeah.
or 4 goals?
Sure.
Nesiphethe le game. I-Richards Bay nesingasiniki next. Idlale nge-last 15 minutes.
Sure.
And then I don't know ukuthi why ucoach athanda ukukhipha uTito.
Yeah, exactly.
Why uthanda ukukhipha uTito?
Why keep uTito?
Ngama crucial game aso. Bafini.
But awungitshele yini yenza ukuthi ibhakani ingayishayile 4 goals fana.
Uyazi ucoach rotational squad.
Yeah.
I've been telling you all the time, rotational squad.
Yeah.
All the time. Thina sinayo asina first 11. Ngikutshelile na. Asina first 11.
Ngicela sivale nge-man of the match yakho yaFan njalo.
Mina man of the match yami awuyazi na apolice.
Oshwini.
Even.
Oshwini.
Even.
Oshwini.
Police station.
Prediction yakhe iPirates yayithatha iligi mfethu.
Pirates. Ayizoyithatha.
Asivale ntwana yami. Thank you Thiyama.